Oh, there you go. We have gone through a dystopian era of Comic-Con, which is fantastic. Now we're going in through here. Morning. Okay, all good. It's good to be back in here. It is good to be back in here. Isn't that refreshing? Hey? Even Stig's turned up. Hey. We are back in the ExCeL. Feels good. Feels very good. Now I'm going down to N1, I believe. What Salim said yesterday. It feels good to be back, doesn't it? Hey? I am doing social distancing. I'm not joking. Keeping away from people as best I can. The mask will go on when it fills up a bit. But other than that, I'm keeping away from people. Seems that after going the zigzag thing, we can hang out in here. We'll get some food and such, but the doors don't open until 10 o'clock according to ticket. We'll see if that's actually true when we get down here. Because I don't know. Anyway, we're back. We are back.